Welcome dear all in our YouTube channel Alexis Projects. Myself Professor Munshik, and today we will see a new hardware setup. The title name is solar based irrigation system. So hardware setup is available on your screen. So let's which components used in this project. So first we will see it is the main switch used to turn on and off the entire system. You can see on the screen, and we are using one nut connector here to connect and disconnect the solar panel according to our requirements. For sound alert purpose, we are using 15 of black buzzer here for not sound notification according to the soil moisture level. And to store the extra solar energy, we are using this 4 ampere of battery to handle entire project process like soil moisture measurement, turning on and off the pump, running LCD, etc. This Arduino Nano is responsible to handle all these operations and to display all the parameters like soil moisture, pump on off condition. We are using this 16 cross LCD as you can see on the screen. And for soil moisture level measurement, we are using this moisture sensor as you can see with 3 soil samples. And to turn on and off the water pump, we are using this single channel relay module here. And here you can see water pump available inside the water. And you can see here 3 soil samples available here for testing purpose only. And for solar energy purpose, we are using 3 watts of 9 volt 3 watts of solar panel here connected via the nut connector as you can see on the screen. So let's have a look on its project performance. So we have done all the arrangements here you can see. So time to turn on this project setup by using the main switch. So project is turned on and project name is appearing on the screen. And then after it will show us the amount of moisture level inside the soil. So you can see motor is on because soil moisture level is 0% right now. And you can see our soil sensor is dipped inside the lowest moisture sample. So as you can see, let us move it from medium moisture level. So you can see moisture has increased from 0 to 60% because that sample is dry, but still the water pump is on because this moisture level is not enough. It's still not enough for our soil. So let's dip our soil sensor inside the higher moisture level sample. So you can see here we will certainly change from medium to higher level. So you can see now moisture level should increase. So you can see moisture level is 99%, means our soil has get a lot of water. So that's why pump should be turned off. So you can see pump is turned off now. Remember one important thing, that our setup will wait until the moisture level reduces to 20%, then automatically pump will turn off. So let us test it and by reducing the amount of moisture level. So you can see our current moisture level is 58%, and our pump is turned off because our pump is waiting to reduce the moisture level till 20%, then automatically pump will turn on and it will reach to 80%. So again we have reduced our moisture level. You can see our moisture level is now 0%. So that's why pump has turned on, and now again pump will push our moisture level from 0 to 80%, then automatically pump will be turned off, and then pump will again wait to reduce the moisture level from 80 to 0%. So by using our soil samples we can demonstrate our project. As you can see, moisture level is 39% and still pump is on because our system is waiting to increase the moisture level till 80%, then automatically the pump will off. So we are going to increase soil moisture sensor moisture level. So you can see moisture level has increased from 58% to 95%, and now pump has turned off because our soil has got sufficient amount of water. And again our system will wait for reduction of moisture level, then automatically pump will turn on. It's in that way our system works, so that our plants get a sufficient amount of water and also get a lot of time to dry again. So as you can see our setup is working so fine, pump is turning on and off so fine. See, again we are testing our setup. So if any student want to buy this setup, those students can visit our video description and can contact us and can purchase this setup. So thank you so much for watching this video, and also share this video with your friends so that they can get help from our video.